If you're trying to change your Bluehost hosting plan, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you need more resources, want to upgrade your website as it grows, or just want to move to a better plan, I'll show you exactly what to look for inside your Bluehost account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account using your regular credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the hosting section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your current hosting details, including the plan that your website is currently using. After that, find your current hosting plan and take a moment to review it so you know exactly what you're changing from. Now look for an option that says Upgrade, Change Plan, or something similar. Depending on your account type and Bluehost's current layout, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to find the option that lets you modify your existing hosting plan, not add a brand new one. Once you see the correct option, click it and browse the available plans. Here, Bluehost will usually show you the new hosting options that you can switch to. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether you're looking for more storage, better performance, or support for additional traffic. After selecting the new plan, carefully review the pricing and the plan details before continuing. This step is important because you want to make sure you understand what you're upgrading to and whether there will be any additional charges. If everything looks good, confirm the change and complete the payment if Bluehost requires one. In many cases, the plan change will process automatically once the payment is approved. Now, if you log in and all you see is an add button, pause right there and do not click it. That usually means Bluehost is showing you an option to add another service instead of changing your existing hosting plan. In that situation, the safest thing to do is contact Bluehost Support directly. You can do this by clicking the question mark button at the top of your Bluehost account and asking the bot to connect you to a live agent. Once you're connected, simply tell the agent that you want to change or upgrade your current hosting plan. They can guide you through the correct process and make sure you don't accidentally buy the wrong product. This is especially helpful if your dashboard looks different or if the upgrade option isn't showing up the way you expected. So to recap, log into Bluehost, go to hosting, find your current plan, choose upgrade or change plan, review the new plan, and confirm the change. And if you only see add, contact support and ask for help changing your existing plan instead. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck updating your Bluehost hosting plan.